Alright, what's up guys? Daddy's Designer Toys. Me and Sissy here. She says hey. Here to talk about the Cartman Grin today. One of my all-time favorite pieces at this moment. Hold on, Sissy wants to see them. No. Cartman Grin, released January 20th, 2017. Made by Monsters, JPS Studios. Original retail, $150 in America, a little more in other places. Not the world's biggest piece. I've got it beside an 8-inch dunny to kind of give it a little scale. Man, this bad boy is awesome. Made out of 300. You got that Made by Monsters on there. Sissy's a big fan of this one. MJ says hi. Let me say Sissy. Like I said, not as big as some of the others in his collection, but man, this bad boy is awesome. There's been rumors of other colorways. I've never actually seen one. These things on eBay can go as high as $700, although that's probably on the crazy side. I've seen them sell around $250. What, baby? MJ wants me to hold him. Cartman Grin, Made by Monsters, with legendary Ron English, propaganda, awesome piece.